trying to cover as much with initial washes of color, and then I'm going to go over this. So I'm going to go over the patterns that you see here with more paint, more water, and the paint will begin to build up. And also, you can see within the washes of color, like little variations of yeah, little stains, water stains, and so forth. So there's some inconsistencies here, in which some I'll leave, some I'll take out, but you'll see as I build up the paint that there's going to be less and less of that, and the washes or the look of the color would be a lot cleaner. At least that is what I'm hoping to do as I go on. So this, of course, like I said, is that first pass. So this is after that second pass of color, and you see where it looks now. It's much neater. I'm really at this point very happy with it, except that it still needs more refinement, and I also it's looking very monochromatic. So I need to introduce some more color, some cooler color here and there, both darker and lighter. So, and that's what I'm going